Welcome to Bethel Online Education Hub. Learn anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Let's learn together, the Bethel way.
This is lesson 6 of Media and Information Literacy entitled Media and Information Languages. Media language are codes, conventions, formats, symbols, and narrative structures that indicate the meaning of media messages to an audience. Codes are used in media and information languages. These are a system of signs that, when put together, create a meaning, which is called semiotics or the study of signs. There are different types of codes. First one is symbolic codes. It shows what is beneath the surface of what we see, like objects, setting, body language, clothing, color, etc. Or these are also called iconic symbols that are easily understood. Kung mapapansin nyo yung nasa right side, ito yung example ng symbolic codes. So may objects dyan which conveys meaning. Tapos yung setting, it shows time and place. Color, it suggests a mood. Costume, it could either be clothing, hair, and makeup. And then body language are emotions and movement. Another type of code is written codes. These are the use of language styles and textual layout. For example, headlines. It could be a title of the story in large type, and then titles, pwedeng name ng libro o kaya ng film. Captions, it appears below an image. So halimbawa pag nanonood kayo ng YouTube, normally may caption doon. And then speech bubbles, used in comics or cartoons. Our last type of codes are technical codes. These are ways in which equipment is used to tell the story. This includes sound, camera angles, types of shots and lighting, as well as camera techniques, framing, depth of field, lightning exposure, and juxtaposition. So when you say camera movements, kung mapapansin nyo sa paggawa ng pelikula, iba't ibang klase ng camera ang ginagamit. So, pwedeng tatlo, apat, lima. And then, shot sizes, pwedeng close up, pwedeng long shot. Tapos, lightning, it creates a mood. Pwedeng light to dark or dark to light. And then, camera angles, suggested is eye level or high and low. For our summary, media and information languages are systems of codes, symbols, formats, and conventions used to communicate messages. They help creators organize content and allow audiences to understand meaning using these technical codes, symbolic codes, written codes. In short, media and information languages are the rules and system that shape how messages are created, delivered, and understood.